If you got this video, it's because you're interested in selling websites for thousands of dollars. And the best part about this, it's all done with the click of a button. My name's Armando, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can be selling Go High level websites to generate over $10,000 every single month, and how I've personally been doing this to make over $140,000 every single month consistently for the past 8 months. There literally is going to be no gatekeeping, so you're going to want to watch the entire video. I'm going to drop straight gems, so let's dive straight into this. So first things first, we're going to do cold acquisition. This is not going to require any dollars. You're not going to have to spend any dollars on ads to acquire clients. It's literally going to be you getting clients for free through this outreach strategy. Now, to do outreach, what do we do first? We're going to go into our personal network. We're going to go either into Facebook, Instagram, Google Maps, or even TikTok. This has literally worked for me. I'm speaking on what's worked for me. We're literally going to find businesses that either currently don't have websites, or even if they do have websites, you can still reach out to them. And from there, we're going to literally do what I've been doing for the past few years, using this exact proposition, which is a free value proposition. So if you're literally a complete beginner who has no experience, like I was when I first started, when I left construction and started into this with no prior experience, no results, no testimonials, this is literally the best thing that you can do to start landing clients, which is a pre-made website strategy. So the best prospects to message, I personally recommend going to Facebook, Instagram, or Google Maps. You're going to find people who are active on their social media and find people who already post their work. And this is literally the exact sequence that you're going to follow. It's going to be an opening question. You're going to confirm the interest, a value proposition, which is you already made them a video, which is the videos right here, literally what I'm showcasing. It's a website preview showcasing exactly what their website is going to look like before they even pay for it. People literally love this gesture because it sets you aside from everybody else that's calling, hey, I noticed you don't have a website. Can I make you a website? Can I wait? Like, these people get hundreds of those messages, hundreds of those calls, but we're setting ourselves aside. Boom. Once they confirm interest, you literally just make the video, drop the video, and then you're literally wait for them to view the video and you ask for an appointment. Now, what does that all look like? Well, I'll give you a clear example right here. Let's scroll down. So as you can see here, this one right here. Hello, is this the number of so-and-so company? Yes. Good afternoon. I saw your website is currently down and I wanted to show you what a professional website would look like with your services. The guy said, looks nice. We offer different prices depending on what you want. We can talk tomorrow on a Zoom call. Are you available tomorrow? Sure, after 10 a.m. Perfect. Does 11 a.m. sound good? I literally closed this guy for $1,000, $500 up front, $500 when the website is ready. And up to this day, this exact message, I know exactly what it is because I went back for our conversations. This exact client right here is still paying me $99 every single month till this day. Literally a passive online real estate business. Now, if we scroll a little bit more down, even on DMs, this was on SMS, literally on Facebook groups. Literally, this guy, I didn't even ask him. I didn't even call him. I didn't even confirm interest. I literally went straight into messaging the guy. The guy loved the gesture, and I literally closed this client right here. Hey, man, I noticed there was an existing website for your business. Oh, I wanted to show you this page I made for you. Let me know what you think. Oh, wow, how much does this all cost? From here, all I literally did was literally go, give him a call, set up a time to talk about it, show him the preview, sell him the website up front, $500 up front, $500 when it's ready, and then still continue to collect the $99. Literally, look, we can take a look at another DM right here. Hey, man, I noticed that there wasn't an existing website for your business, so I wanted to show you this front page I made you. Let me know what you think. Hey, sir, I like the website you made. Thanks, man. What's the phone number I can contact you through? Boom. And he sent me the number. We literally just contacted him, chatted. And once again, hey, man, I noticed there wasn't an existing website for your business, so I wanted to show you the front page I made for you. Let me know what you think. That's tight. How much would that cost me? All of these people are literally interested because of the gesture that we're literally making them the preview up front. And you might realize, hey, Armando, there's a little bit of a similar pattern. It looks like the same preview, looks like the same message. Well, yes, because I literally got so good at this that I started doing it at huge scale. I wasn't just the one messaging now. Now I had an entire team behind me. Now you may be wondering, well, Armando, how do you make these previews so fast within less than 5 minutes? Well, let me break it down to you guys. I literally come in the back end of my Go High level. I literally fill out this quick form. Takes less than 3 minutes to make. Once I fill out this form, I literally publish it and I come over here and boom, it pulls up an entire business, phone numbers, emails, locations, Facebook, the entire format, their entire services, literally gives me the entire 9 yards for a preview. Then all I have to do is literally make a Loom about this. I go over to loom.com. They have a free, you can get started with this for free because even Loom has a free trial of 25 videos. I make a free Loom, record myself with the preview after I fill out that form. Now, that form is a format that I personally use with all our WAAS students at the back end that literally helps them make the previews fast, or you can make the previews. It might take a little bit longer if you do it manually, but we literally use the AI system in the back end of Go High level with that quick form, gets it done within seconds, less than 3 minutes. You have a nice preview ready to go, and that's how we pump these out so fast. Now, At scale, I literally hired an entire team that allowed me to be able to scale this up higher and higher and higher. Now, once we're in the actual Loom, I literally have an exact pitch deck that I use with all our students in the back end. And exactly what we do here is I first go on and show the preview of the website. So for example, let's say Leo. Hey Leo, how's it going, Leo? Real quick, man, here's the quick preview of what your website would look like. The website is not just there to be sitting pretty, but it's actually conversion built. We literally build it with multiple CTAs, and then from there, once I give the breakdown of their preview, I take it to the back-end process, and we literally show them how we go about designing the entire website. I go in depth into every single part, from the before and afters, from the individual services pages, nice scrolling features, to their social medias, a 24/7 chatbot, and then the process that this follows to capture leads, automatically reply to their leads, and then boom, get notifications to the direct customer. The customers literally love this. That's the exact reason they don't just cancel the $99. You may be wondering, well, first things first, no one is dumb enough to cancel their own $99 for their website that they have up and running. Literally, their website is their 24/7 salesperson that is selling their services while they sleep. While the businesses sleep, people go, they look at it, they like to, right? Okay, that's to the side. The other reason why people don't never cancel, and it's such a stick, I'm literally getting paid for money that I've closed, from deals that I've closed 2 years ago. I'm still getting paid to this day. Reason people don't cancel, because you're not just another commodity. You become a need into their business. They're literally relying on your system, on your website, and the process that it follows. Now, to be able to scale this to huge numbers, I'm gonna break it down right here. So as you can see here, look, the beauty of it, once you get on the sales call, you collect your $500 up front, $500 when ready. You get those $99 every single month, $99 to $197. And as you can see here, literally for the month of May, when I just had pure $99 subscriptions, as you can see, average sale, $99, had $22,000 coming in every single month without lifting a finger. That literally took care of my mortgage, my car payments, basically everything that I needed in my life. This was literally fun money, and I'm literally going to show you what comes after this as well. But let's dive in. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. How, Armando, how can I scale this up? How can I use this to replace my current income? What if you're currently working a 9 to 5 and you want to safely replace your 9 to 5 and go all into this business? Well, literally all I did, if you can see a very common thing here, I cloned the existing website preview that I had, and something very familiar, I chose a niche. What is a niche? It's in a specific industry within your market. So for example, right here, I'm working with contractors, but in this specific video, when I started scaling, I was focusing only on gutter contractors itself. Why? Because it allowed me to repeat the process time and time again. It was rinse and repeat, copying the exact same preview, just customizing a little bit with their name, same message, same messaging. I was able to hire virtual assistants, VAs, for literally contractor arbitrage, hiring virtual assistants overseas to come into my business and literally do this for me on demand. From there, I literally just started stacking up more and more websites, more and more $99 subscriptions. Now, it literally does not end there, guys. The beauty of this, and I'll be sharing it in further videos, is literally how, for example, when I pitch someone, there's a video showing you a rough draft of your website. 12-page website visual, individual pages, services, on-page SEO, Google My Business. So I literally break everything down. What's up, bro? When can we get the website going? Once again, $500 up front, $500 when it's ready. And literally, if we look at the timestamps, July 17th, not even a month after, when can we talk about ads? We literally had a cool conversation. Sorry about calling on a weekend. Let me know when you want to go over the phone for the Facebook ads. What's up, bro? I was busy yesterday. What do we need to move forward? And at that time, I was only charging $800 to run ads. I could have charged more, but since I was a beginner at the time, I was barely getting my feet in the water. I was only charging $800. This client's literally with me till this day. Yes, sir, just got it paid. And this is literally what plummeted into me now. Look, literally at the time of this recording, it is currently November 8th, yesterday. $99, $99, $197, $99. Beautiful. And look, literally every single day, guys, just being able to wake up and look at my phone, knowing that no matter whether I work or I don't, there's literally money coming in. I'm not attached to time. I'm not attached to anything. Money just flows into my business. $997, $99, $27, $97, $99, $97, $600 the prior day. Look, and we literally look right before that. $600, $500, $99, $99, $250, $500, $400, $699. That is literally the beauty of the game, guys. I don't have to be somewhere physically present compared to a job to be able to earn money. I literally could be from the comfort of my home, traveling the world. All I need is laptop and Wi-Fi to continue to run this business, and I can even go 2-3 weeks without closing any new sales and be okay because of the fact that I have passive reoccurring revenue that is super sticky, because once again, we're not a commodity. The business doesn't just want it. They need us. They need our system. They need our website. And if we scroll a little bit more down, literally sales report for October, $35,000 previous month $39,000, and if we look at the sales report on my processor for Contractor Sync, which is all my ad clients, October 1st to 31st, $101,000. That means I am averaging anywhere from 130 to 140. I mean, I had a $160,000 month as well, consistently hitting six-figure months, guys. That is literally over $1 million every single year. Take that into consideration just with ads. $101,000. Now, if that's too much to comprehend, you're like, okay, that doesn't seem too, that doesn't seem achievable. Well, just look at my WAAS business, just websites and the reoccurrings, $35,000. What would $35,000 do for you? Think about it for a second. That will be life-changing, wouldn't it, right? Now, a lot of common pitfalls that I see with WAAS is people telling me, well, can you sell to people that already have websites? Yes, of course you can. It's literally the best. I love that. Why? Hear me out. And this is an analogy that I heard back in the day and it literally changed the game for me. Watch this. If the only goal is to catch fish, right? The only goal is to catch fish. Fisherman A has a bad, ugly boat. And we're comparing this to a bad, ugly website. Fisherman A has a bad, ugly boat, but he's catching the same fish as Fisherman B, who has a very expensive boat, very nice looking. They're catching the same fish because they're in the same location, right? Now, let's say Fisherman B can go further out and catch even better fish. Fisherman A can't do that because his boat is not up to date. Do you think that's going to motivate Fisherman A to want to upgrade? Of course. But it's not going to motivate him if they're catching the same fish. Why would Fisherman A want to upgrade? Only when he sees the opportunity of Fisherman B being able to go further down and catch better fish, then Fisherman A would consider upgrading. So that is literally how you position the website to these guys' eyes. It's not just about, the features and stuff. It's the amount, the conversions, the sales, and the further higher it will literally, the more business that it will bring. Because at the end of the day, guys, the business owners care about getting more money, getting more customers in the door. That is literally the end goal with all this. And literally, once again, we're not a commodity. We're a need because of the system in the back end. It literally changes the game. It's not going to be anything compared to all of the website builders out there, to anything out there. Literally, the system with Go High Level is all in one, guys. That is the beauty of this. But there you guys have it. That is literally the overall step-by-step process I follow to make over $100,000 a month with this business model, guys. So make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be dropping weekly bangers to help you guys start making $10,000 a month within this 2025 time period, guys. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment for any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.